Okay, so first I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution Focus and Fix Brow Kit to fill in my sparse areas of the brows. It's a pretty nice kit. It comes with a 3 shade and 1 wax to set your brows. It's a pretty compact kit. I like this kit. After this, I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm using it on the borders of my brows and on the lid, and blending it out with the damp beauty blender. To set the concealer, I am using this compact powder from Maybelline Fit Me to avoid any creasing. After this, I'm going in with this I Love Revolution Mermaid's palette. It's a gorgeous palette, and I'm using this very light, almost my lid shade, to prep my lids. I'm using this shade with the fluffy brush. After that, I'm going in with this Revolution Reloaded Marvellous Matte palette, and firstly I'm going in with this bright yellow shade on the outer corners of my lid with this fluffy brush and blending it out. After this, I am going in with this orange corally shade with a steeper brush on the outer corners of my lid. I'm first patting the shade and then blending it out, as it gives nice pigmentation. The lighting's pretty off, it's pretty yellow. I'm gonna sort that out soon. So blend, and then I'm using clean fluffy brush to blend the harsh edges. Next, I'm going in with this red shade with a steeper brush again to give some dimension on the outer corners of my lid, and again I'm patting and then blending. Blending is the key. Basically, you need to blend your eyeshadows for that flawless finish. I'm just repeating the steps so that there should be, like, I should be happy with the intensity of the product, of the eyeshadow. Blend. After that, I'm using this Maybelline concealer again for half cut crease. You have to be a little careful with that. After that, I'm going in with this Revolution palette again and using makeup fixing spray on the flat brush for the maximum pigmentation, and I'm using the shade this golden shimmery shade, and putting that on the cut crease area, and my hairband fell off. Wow. Okay, fix that up, and I'm just smoothing everything out, basically cleaning the edges. After that, I'm using this Colorbar primer on my T-zone as well as on my whole face to have a smooth canvas. After that, I'm using this Loreal 12-Hour Matte Magique foundation and blending it out with the damp beauty blender. Next, I am going in with this Maybelline concealer again on the pigmented areas, like under my eyes, around my mouth area, bridge of the nose, forehead, basically everywhere. No, just kidding. On the like where you need concealer, like wherever you have pigmentation with it, and blending it out. I love this concealer so much. It just blends out like magic, to be honest. Again, blend, blend, blend. I blend my eyes at the end so that it gives me nice coverage. Okay. After that, to set the concealer, I'm using again Makeup Revolution. This is their luxury powder in banana. I'm not baking, I'm just setting it under my eyes, and for the rest of my face I am using the compact powder. Next, I'm going in with this L'Oreal Glam Bronze Bronzer to bronze my face. I again really love this bronzer. It's a buttery soft, it blends like magic, and I just love this bronzer. I'm using it on my cheekbones, on the hollows of your cheeks basically. It gives nice warmth to your face and make your face look chiseled. Yeah. And I'm using bronzer with this angular brush, using the bronzer on my jawline. Next, for the blush, I'm using this Milani Rose blush in the shade Tea Rose. Again, using angular brush for that because I like to take my blush upwards as it looks really healthy. And I use the blush on my nose as well, as it ties up the whole look. I think I really like that way. Next, I'm going in again with this Makeup Revolution Marvelous Matte palette and using this teal shade for my lower lash line and just blending it out. For highlighter, I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick palette with this fan brush. I'm highlighting my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, inner corners, brow bone, again basically everywhere. I love highlighting. Now I have done eyeliner and put some falsies off camera. I'm just using the mascara now, and after that I'm using this a white coal from Wet n Wild. After that, for lips, I'm going in with this Revlon Ultra HD Matte Liquid Lipstick in Seduction. And after that, I'm going in basically tabbing the this lipstick. This is from Colorbar. After this, I'm going in with this makeup fixing spray to just end the whole look. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the look, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, bye, and please do subscribe to my channel. It would mean everything to me.